I've zoomed out to a scale of 100,000 and my watershed boundaries are marked in purple. So you can see each of these watersheds boundaries now shown on my map. I'll go back to the catalog to what other base data I have in here. So I have some trails. The trails are Yosemite trails from a database. So I can take all these trails and drop these on my map. If I click them to show the trails, it'll show any trails in this area. So you can now see the red trails have been turned on. For speed of drawing on my screen, I'm going to turn off the image map because it just takes much more processing to draw the image all the time. And as I need to see it, I can either turn it off or I can just turn on my topo layers. But it makes it much easier to see these that I've turned on. So these are my trails. If I turn them on and off, you'll see them appear or disappear on the map and my watersheds as well. I've also got trailheads, so I can drop those on the map. So it'll show all the trailhead information. Other data that might be useful is administrative forest borders, local roads. Those are good. Other thoroughfare. Those could be off-road trails. And also, this is a very useful one, is the flow line information. Flow line is from the National Hydrology data set, and basically it's streams and rivers. So let's go ahead and drop streams and rivers on our map too. And you'll see this is all being categorized by a different type. So if I select this, it'll draw, and these are all the streams and the rivers. I'll go ahead and close the catalog window. So it might appear a lot of information on the map at once, but remember they're very easily turned on and off. So if I wish to hide all the flow lines, I can just turn them off. The trails. If I wish to show the topo, it'll show the topo with everything else on top of it. Just remember that the drawing order in ArcMap is from bottom to top. So if I have my watershed, my trails, my trailheads, even if I have all these turned on, and I can now see them all on the map, if I was to move one of these larger images up here, it'll now hide all that data because they're now behind it. They're in the bottom. So we're drawing from bottom to top. So make sure that all these detailed layers sit physically above any of the big images that you have underneath, such as topo maps and imagery.